Hello, thank you for joining us again for another video from the crazy shop. Uh, as you could tell, it's like my shop is all over the place. So today we're going to be talking about how to do an oil change on a 125cc motor on a little go-kart. It's fairly simple, it's fairly easy, it's not that hard to do. Well, this is the go-kart. It's been through some it's been through a lot, so I guess they rode it really hard. They had fun with it, and I think they rolled it over, kind of broke the cage. So this is the motor, and this is the carburetor. We just cleaned up the carburetor, just simple cleaning. And this is the starter, because it's an electric start, not a pull start. Okay, so right now we're going to show you how to do an oil change on it. First of all, this is your dipstick. It's located right here, right at the back of the motor. You just unscrew it and see the cross check mark. Basically, that's the level where the oil needs to be. And this is the drain plug. It's a number 17 metric. I mean, once you open it up, let all the oil drain out. And then just lock it. Once the oil is all out, just don't over torque it, and you fill the oil right here from where the dipstick is. Alright, as far as oil, we recommend 10W30 full synthetic, just regular motor oil. It works perfectly fine for it. And so you don't make a big mess, just get you a long funnel, stick it in the hole, and just drop the oil. Like normally these motors, they take between almost 3/4 of a quart, not even a quart. Here we go. Well, the thing is, I mean, once you do it so many times, it becomes just like a habit. Well, thank you for watching this video. Just come back again for another video. Help us grow in our channel. Pressing the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.